We are officially headed back to Aulani, and you know what that means? It means it's time to pack for Hawaii. This time we're bringing my entire family along, and I can't wait to show you all of the outfits that I put together, my Cupshe haul, and some really great shoes and bags that you're going to want to consider if you're going on a trip to Hawaii anytime soon, because they are necessary, I promise. Okay, so first I'm going to show you everything that I got, and then I am going to try it on. All right, so we'll save the backpack for later. I'm excited about that. Okay, we'll take this off. This beautiful blue dress, I love it so much. It's like really light, it's gorgeous. I did get a few bathing suits. I don't know if I'm gonna try those on. I don't know if I'm like quite there yet, if I wanna try bathing suits on. But here is a really cute blue bathing suit that I got. So here is the bottom, and look at how cute. It has like these little beads on it. And then here is the top. Again, it has the little like seashell in the middle with the beads, so adorable. And I don't know why I got another hot pink bathing suit. I already have a hot pink bikini and I forgot about it, and here I got another one. So it's one of those like high-waisted bikinis. So that's gonna kind of be new to me. And look at this. Look at the little seashell. Isn't that cute? So that's the top. And then this is the one that I'm probably more likely going to be wearing a lot during the trip because it's a one piece. I might be more comfortable in this, but it's a beautiful like royal blue, borderline navy colored one piece. I think that's really pretty too. So I'm excited to wear that. And we're actually going to do a photo shoot one day in Aulani. We have a photographer. This was like my Mother's Day gift from the kids. I have a photographer that's going to meet us in Aulani and take family pictures on the beach. So I had recommended that we all wear white. So I have this really pretty white dress. So I think I'm going to wear this for the photo shoot. And then I have this really pretty long maxi dress. I just love the pattern on this, and there's a little tassel. I love maxi dresses. I just feel like they're so comfortable. They're light and airy. See, this one has like this lace going across the midriff and this really pretty like bow in the back. Also very long maxi dress. And then I have 3 rompers, and I love rompers because you can also wear them like over a bathing suit as a cover up. But if you need really cute resort wear just to wear around the resort, I know we're going to be both in Aulani, and we're going to also be over at Turtle Bay, which is like kind of, you know, nice. I feel like people are going to be walking around dressing kind of nice, so I can wear one of these rompers over my bathing suit. I have this romper, so cute. And then finally this black romper. This is adorable. This is like a little bit more dressy, so I feel like I can even wear this to dinner one night. It kind of like just ties here, and I think it's really cute. So those are all of the outfits that I have for the trip. I'm going to try them on and let's see if we like them or not. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I love all of them because I am ready to put them in the suitcase and pack for this trip. Okay guys, first dress I really like a lot. I think it's really pretty. I love this color. It's not too long, so like, you know, sometimes because I'm short, it kind of hits the ground. But yes, I'm excited for this. I think this one's going to definitely be a great one to wear. I mean, you can see, you could even just like wear it over a bathing suit. You could wear it to dinner. It's just so versatile. I love this one. Okay, I think this one's really cute too. It's very comfortable. I love that it's like just very light because I know it can be really hot in Hawaii. So I think this will be fun to wear. Maybe, I don't know, we're gonna do a Pearl Harbor day, so it could be cute for that maybe. I'm really not sure. We have so many things planned. I have this whole big itinerary all scheduled. So I hope that you guys will consider following along for our trip in Hawaii, and you could like see everything that we're up to. But I think this is really cute. I just imagine wearing this one with a hat. I don't know. I don't love myself in a hat, but I think this could work. And I feel like I could totally wear this as a cover up on the beach. And I can also wear it to dinner. I can wear it walking around the resort. I really like it. So far, so good. I mean, I'm really happy with everything. And most importantly, so far, everything that I've tried on is really comfortable and light. And I love the detail. I love the little tassels on here and like how it's kind of like see-through over here, but not like too, you know, scandalous, just enough. This is another one that I really like. It's a little bit big on me. I mean, I can totally wear it. It's just a little big on the top. I can't remember if I got a medium or a small on this one. I'll have to double check. I think it's a small, but I feel like I could have went down a size. I think it could be really nice just for going out to dinner or walking. Again, just, I mean, all of these are really, I feel like, geared towards maybe like resort wear. So it would look cute on the beach. It would look cute going to dinner or for drinks or just walking around the resort. I totally also feel like I could wear a bikini or something underneath this and wear it as a cover up maybe, but I really like it. Okay, I think this one is adorable. I really love it a lot. Perfect for our photo shoot that we're going to be doing on the beach. I think it's so cute. And again, it can be used, I feel like it could be used as a cover up. I don't know, you can kind of see my bra here, so I probably would have to wear like something different underneath or even like a nude bra, definitely not a color. You know how like when you order things online, sometimes you have no idea, and a lot of the time I feel like I get it and I absolutely hate it, but I don't know, I think I did pretty good so far. This is how you know it's summer vacation. If you hear the kids screaming outside, they're not my kids. But all the kids in the neighborhood are home, so I'm sorry for the background noise, but another really great dress. It's kind of hard for me to tie the back. There is a cute bow in the back. I don't know if you can see that in the mirror. I definitely need some help. I couldn't really tie it tight enough, but this is so light and airy, and it's like that material that doesn't wrinkle in the suitcase. I feel like you could roll this in a ball and it would be fine. Same for the blue dress that I tried on. It's kind of like the same material, but I think this color looks really good when you have a tan. Like this orange color, when you have some, you know, color in your skin, it goes really nicely together. So another win for sure. This one was my favorite pattern. I think it's really nice. Again, very light. It might even almost be a little bit see-through. Definitely would be great as a beach cover-up. I would love to wear this just exploring the island, and I could see myself just wearing like sandals and a bathing suit and then putting this on over it and feeling really well put together. So far, I mean, I know I keep saying this, but it's like something has to go wrong. Okay, so I love all of the resort wear outfits that I picked out. Next is the bathing suits. That's where things are going to get hard. So I don't know. I'm probably not going to show them, but I am going to try them on right now to see how they look. And if I'm not horrified, I'll give you a little sneak peek of the bathing suits, or at least one of them. Okay, I do like this one has like the ruching, so it does kind of give you a little bit of belly coverage. That's always like what I'm most self-conscious about. I do like the top. I think it's nice with like the sheer detail here. So yeah, this one is good. I do like this one piece. I think it's pretty cute. Okay, now that you have all seen the outfits that I'm going to bring, I have to show you the newest bag that I purchased for this trip, and I am so excited to try out this bag. First of all, look at how beautiful, tropical. I mean, it totally has Hawaii vibes. This is by Lug. I've never had a Lug bag before, but I'm kind of really freaking out about it because it has so many compartments. I already started throwing some stuff in, stuff that I'm going to definitely be bringing with me, such as like my GoPro. That's going to be a really necessary thing. And I like how it has this like floatable case so that, you know, if you were to let go of it, it'll float. All right, I'm not going to get into a deep dive here, but I also have like pencils, like colored pencils and a coloring book. I'm going to find stuff to keep myself occupied on the plane so I'm not just like watching videos the whole time. There are 2 pairs of shoes that I brought on my last Hawaii trip that I could not live without. There's no way I could go to Hawaii without these. One is going to be just basic, ugly water shoes. I know they're hideous, but let me tell you, there were some beaches that we went to where they had volcanic rocks, and it was really hard to get in and out of the water. I don't even think I would have been able to have done it without these shoes. So you definitely need some water shoes because the beaches can be a little bit rocky in Hawaii. And my Tevas, okay, these are so beat up, and I have a couple of different pairs, but like the black ones just seem to be the ones I always go to. But Tevas, you can wear them in the water. So if I did not have my water shoes, I could still strap these on. And I think I did. I definitely have worn these in the water before on rocky beaches and whatnot. You can hike in these. You can swim in these. Like, again, you can walk into a really, really rocky beach wearing Tevas. So I always have these. And like, I know they're not beautiful, but you can wear them with a sundress to dinner and it would be okay. So I love having these. And my bonus sandals that I just recently got these from, I think, Marshall's. These are just from Clark's, and I have walked in these for miles. They're so comfortable. So these will be like my evening shoes. They're very neutral. They're just like this really light beige color, and they're just great to have. I'm just probably gonna wear sandals on this trip. I'll wear a pair of my sneakers on the plane. Otherwise, that is what I'm going to have. My Tevas, nicer sandals, and of course my water shoes. And then another thing that I really like that comes in handy are one of these. It's just a strap. So it's just this beautiful like gold and white leather strap, and it has a hook on the end, and I can't show you on my phone now, but basically you hook it on the bottom of your phone. So you just wear this with your, if you're wearing like a sundress or something and you don't want to bring a purse with you, you can just have your phone with you, and it's, you know, kind of like a little purse phone thing. And it works out really well, especially because a lot of the time my dresses don't have pockets and I hate holding my phone the whole time. This really comes in handy. And then I have one more bag I'm going to show you guys. And then just a very simple crocheted black bag to wear with my sundresses when I do have more things that I want to bring. Maybe I'm going out for the evening and I need like lipstick, medicine, whatever. I'll bring this bag with me on the trip. So those are all of the outfits and some of the accessories that I'm going to be bringing on our upcoming Hawaii/Aulani vacation with the entire family. I hope that this video gave you some great ideas of things to wear. I do have a 15% off coupon with Cupshe, so I'll leave that in the description below. I'll also leave you guys the links to all of the outfits, and if I can find them, to the lug bag and anything else that I showed in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I really hope that you're going to consider following along on our Aulani vacation. And if you want to see our last trip to Aulani, I'll leave that video here so that you can check out what we did last time back in 2023. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Bye.